like a star. Come to the top of the car. Don't abide by the law. You don't know what I done saw. Can't leave without it. I keep it still for the wall. Chase I deposit. Money just stick with the boy.
Lot of model bitches check for me. Nigga don't check for me unless you got checks for me. I kept a stick like a hobo, no checking me. Way back when D-Lo had the spot and trust you. So many hoes had to get up, I said to me. She left her body home and brought her net to me. I did a walk through, they sent a jet to me. Y'all niggas show price less than my trophy. One of my arms worth a ticket. Watch so much that a car came with it. Back in the day, I used to walk with no mask on. Shit on my wrist, I would've killed the whole house full. Then I went to school high, I ain't go to class though. I was with the OGs, learning about the glass though. Caught me with a deuce 5, mama keep my ass bro. Break yourself, leave his brains on the dash bro. I'm with Sid and Lil Baby, yeah. We got 4 choppers this full. Right before rapping, on God, I was trapping. Still get my Glock and LaCour. I got my K from Osama Bin Laden. Lil' nigga, he signed this shit. I'm pro a gang, if you use from my chain, then a nigga gon' die in this beat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, wagon, y'all nigga doing that big capture. I ain't with the friendly shit, close thing, y'all get into a handshake and the beat clap. Yo, mama gon' have to make a GoFundMe, y'all niggas keep doing that sneak jab.
Like a star. Come to the top of the car. Don't abide by the law. You don't know what I done saw. Can't leave without it. I keep it still for the wall. Chase I deposit. Money just stick with the boy.
Lot of model bitches check for me. Nigga don't check for me unless you got checks for me. I kept a stick like a hobo, no checking me. Way back when D-Lo had the spot and trust you. So many hoes had to get up, I said to me. She left her body home and brought her net to me. I did a walk through, they sent a jet to me. Y'all niggas show price less than my trophy. One of my arms worth a ticket. Watch so much that a car came with it. Back in the day, I used to walk with no mask on. Shit on my wrist, I would've killed the whole house full. Then I went to school high, I ain't go to class though. I was with the OGs, learning about the glass though. Caught me with a deuce 5, mama keep my ass bro. Break yourself, leave his brains on the dash bro. I'm with Sid and Lil Baby, yeah. We got 4 choppers this full. Right before rapping, on God, I was trapping. Still get my Glock and LaCour. I got my K from Osama Bin Laden. Lil' nigga, he signed this shit. I'm pro a gang, if you use from my chain, then a nigga gon' die in this beat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, wagon, y'all nigga doing that big capture. I ain't with the friendly shit, close thing, y'all get into a handshake and the beat clap. Yo, mama gon' have to make a GoFundMe, y'all niggas keep doing that sneak jab.
Like a star. Come to the top of the car. Don't abide by the law. You don't know what I done saw. Can't leave without it. I keep it still for the wall. Chase I deposit. Money just stick with the boy.
Lot of model bitches.
Yo, I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. I got one Virgil, got one, and that there's the only 2, man. How many times have I shown and proved, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? We'll see what's about to happen. We'll see what's about to happen. We'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Yeah, I got one lawyer, got one, and that there's the only 2, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted in Stockholm, it's me, the Owls, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, Weezy and handed it off, I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno, this one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, 1,000,000 in chocolate chips, and that's your time my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers, hey. Yeah, but I can see my petty reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And
my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rincy. I do like lifestyle, travel, vlog content, and I hope you guys stick around and watch this video. I hope you're liking it so far. So yeah, you know, from the title, we're doing a Sunday reset. I just styled my hair again. I didn't film that. I also did like very light makeup. I'm feeling the no lashes, so I think we're gonna go no lashes. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I'm thinking of putting on my Lulu jackets because we're going to this little like lounge, like jeans still. So, and I got these from Garage a minute ago. And your girl is getting thick, so I don't even know. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna try this on. I'm gonna show y'all if I like it. All right, y'all. I'm dressed. Sorry for the lighting. Yeah, so this is the fit. Very simple, cute. I think I'm gonna do, I'm wearing, well, my purse that I said I was gonna wear, I can still wear the same bag. It doesn't have gold, it's like silver. So we're probably gonna do silver jewelry. This is cute and simple. And you know, with this bag, you could also wear it like as a belt bag, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna wear it crossbody. And you can only fit but so much in this bag, baby. It's not big. It's not big, okay? So we're gonna just have a card holder, lip gloss, and vibes. That's it, that's all. But yeah, for real, what shoes am I gonna wear? Handy dandy stepping stool, so I can reach my shoes. Yeah. So we're probably gonna go with the Benacananas.
The Benacananas.
Okay. Yeah, because it's white and it looks sporty and it's cute, even though these some big ass shoes. So yeah, that's the fit, y'all. That's the fit. I'll see you guys when we're on the way to the park.
Yeah, go like a star. Come to the top of the car. Come down the bottom of the law. You don't know what I done saw. Can't leave without it. Can't leave without it. How can you stay for the wall? Chase out deposit. Chase out deposit. Money just stick with the boy.
A lot of model bitches check for me, nigga don't check for me.
So I got this rose, y'all. Let's see if it's good or whatever. For $13. It's like sour, but it's good. Kind of tastes like wine. Yeah,
OGs on about the glass, bro. Hit me with a deuce 5, I'ma keep my ass, bro. Break yourself, you was right on the dash, bro. I'm with Sid and Lil Baby, yeah. We got 4 choppers this full. Right before rapping, on God, I was trapping. Get my Glock and LaCour. I got my cake from Osama Bin Laden. Lil' nigga, he signed this shit. I'm pro a gang, if you use from my chain, and a nigga gon' die in this bitch. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, wagon, y'all nigga doing that big cat trick. I ain't with the finish shit, close thing, y'all get into a handshake and the beat clap. Yo, mama gon' have to make a GoFundMe, y'all niggas keep doing that sneak jab.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want.